We say Bismillah before we do something reckless. This is Hokkaido, which is in Japan, and we decided to do the unthinkable. Hike during a blizzard. The snow was crazy, but so was I. This was the day that caused my parents to hate me. My actions caused my mom to literally throw one shoe all the way from London, thinking it would hit me in Japan. Surprise, surprise, that shoe came in like Batman and knocked me out cold for a few days. In this vlog, we go to an onsen village and unknowingly hike during a blizzard. Hope you lads enjoy. The best way to describe this footpath was surprise, shock, excitement, and what the The last one was mostly the whole thing. I just tried to make it a bit less swear-worthy, you know. You do not expect this type of thing to be around. And it was free, and there were so many of these random footbath onsen thingies. Kid, throw in the snow. Yes kid, go. Make me proud, kid. All of that steam coming out from this waterfall is natural. I went in one and it was amazing. And obviously it is snowing as well. But yeah, look at that. Snowing, heat, water, and me. Oh, this is the deepest zone. I'm sinking. Is this safe? We say Bismillah before we do something reckless. This is my proudest snowman ever. Okay. I was really tempted to go to the lake at one point, but then I was like, maybe I shouldn't be silly because I don't know what's underneath my foot. Because you know, snow covers shit like this. But yeah, regardless, it was an amazing experience hiking in pure snow, and it wasn't just 10 centimeters, it was about 20 centimeters of snow. This is by far my favorite hiking trip, and if you look at what I'm wearing, by the way, I'm literally wearing Uniqlo trousers and some random walking boots and my jacket. That's all I brought with me, you know. And I'm here chilling and I'm not cold because I have Uniqlo shit. We have just finished another hike. If you remember, the last hike video I did was in Lake Como when we did 86,000 steps uphill hike. This time we walked maybe 15 to 20,000 steps. Either way, it was much better than the Lake Como one, simply because it wasn't just uphill. Also, secondly, we saw some amazing views, and to do it in Japan, the least likely place, in my opinion, to do something like this, hike in a very snowy field with so much natural hot water going around and shit like that. Amazing. It was a good one because we didn't see anyone. In Lake Como it was raining, and raining is good, but when we hiked it was sunny. So here it's freezing. I've got no gloves on, as you can see, and I'm using my other hand without any gloves, and I don't feel cold because I am built for the cold. So yeah, I want to hike more during the cold especially when it's summer. So till the next vlog, lads.
Standing at the point, road across you down. What is at your back? Which way do you turn?
They do not give forks. The thing is, the reason why I could do that was simply because of the kimami. So the reason they managed to fix it. But they must have done, I don't know, I can't assume what they done. That must be
All
it.
you folks, you run my life. I should be willing to compromise. Say all you demons go back to hell. Save my soul, save myself.
That was amazing. As you can see, that is the line after we finished our food, and it is worth every single second.
Save my soul, save myself. Save my soul, save myself. Save my soul, save myself. Save my soul, save myself.